Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to schedule prompts in Microsoft Copilot. Schedule prompt in Microsoft 365 Copilot allow us to automate prompts to run at set intervals and times. Schedule prompts are only available under Work tab. It means you should have Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Schedule prompts are not available for the web. It means it's not available for free Copilot. Let's try demo directly. Click on Work tab. Choose or write any prompt which you want to use again and again for automation purpose. Let's execute this prompt. And you want to run this prompt again and again at set interval or timings. Click on schedule the prompt. For this prompt, result will be visible in Copilot chat and it is start date, timings, choose for every day, week or month, and you also define number of times. Let's say for 5 times, every day at 2 p.m. or you can also choose different days. As of now, you can only schedule prompts in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, Outlook, and Teams. Click on Save. Right now, time is 1:47 p.m. and this prompt is scheduled to run at 2 p.m. So we have to wait for execution of this automated prompt. Please also note that for scheduled prompt, information is sent to Power Automate and Power Platform system. If you want to see scheduled prompts again, click on three dots, schedule prompts. From here you can run now, turn off and delete as per your requirement. In case schedule prompt option is not available to you, in that case you can do one thing. Open any MS Office application, maybe Word, go to account, manage settings and make sure you have turn on optional connected experiences. So we have to wait for a few minutes for schedule prompt to run itself. Now it's 2 p.m. and our prompt was scheduled to run at 2 p.m. We can see here this prompt is in bold. Responses from scheduled prompts are bold and you can see a tick symbol which is mentioning completed. Click on this one and you can see the output. Click on schedule prompts. Next run is on 2nd July. User can schedule up to 10 prompts to run at specific times. Scheduling prompt is a small feature but can be very helpful for automation of your recursive jobs. Let's talk few points from the admin perspective. Schedule prompts are supported by Microsoft 365 environment. In Power Platform, this environment is automatically created when a user creates a schedule prompt for first time. Thank you.